Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. First Christmas tutorial. Pick the darkest green shade and apply it in your crease just below your brow bone using a small brush. Now we're going to start blending, so use a slightly lighter shade on your fluffy brush. Try use a smaller one and blend the darker shade using the medium green shade, just like so. The trick is blending the two colors together. Now take a clean blending brush and smoke it out. Now I'm going back into the dark green shade and apply it in the outer corner of the eye. And now blend it using a clean blending brush. Now we're going to blend everything using the lightest green shade, and I am using my smaller blending brush. And as you can see, I am creating the V shape in my outer corner. Now I am going back into the darkest green shade and filling in my whole eyelid. Now I'm blending it all out. Next I'm going back into the small brush and I'm applying the dark green on my waterline. And joining the corners together. Then we're going into the medium green and smoke it out. I have done my eyeliner off camera, and now I'm going to start drawing the bauble. here I haven't got any glitter glue, so I am using just a concealer. And then just apply glitter of your choice in any colors. I'm applying the gold glitter in my inner corner. Next, I'm applying my favorite eyelashes. My favorite Define FX Mascara, separate the lashes. And the last but not least, define the eyes using the pencil eyeliner. And here's the finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. Bye.